to Android app Play Store download Problem Solve. So let's start. In case that you can download, so I recommend you to follow these steps. The first one is check your connection. You have to check if your connection is working correctly, and if it's working correctly, well, you can start doing these steps. Then when you do it, let's back and then let's go to our icon from Play Store. So keep press the icon and then go to app info, and here on app info you have to go to the part that says clear data. So just go to the part that says clear data, and then when you do it, you have to delete all your clear data from your Play Store. What means that you have to log in once again, start using your information and those kind of things. So that's just how you can do it. But first, well, you have to clear all your data, and then the problems about your Play Store will be fixed and you can download again the app. So that's just how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.